Hey everyone, welcome to Intuitive Gems. In this video, I'm going to do an unboxing of a brand new deck I just picked up. This is called 8 Coins Tattoo Tarot by, I guess it's Lana or Lana Zellner. Now, this deck, I really didn't know anything about it, but yesterday we were at Barnes & Noble, and when I saw it, I was instantly drawn to it. I really like decks that have a lot of vibrant colors, really bold artwork. And this deck kind of reminded me of my Lenormand deck, my Sawyer's Lenormand deck, because that is by Jamie Sawyer, and she's also a tattoo artist. And I think she makes tarot cards as well. But I wanted to go ahead and open this on camera with all of you so we can flip through it together. So as you can see, it does have a shrink wrap on it. So what I'm going to do is I'll probably pause the video and take off the shrink wrap and then come back and look at the cards. Okay, so I've got the plastic wrap off, and the box does come in a very nice, or the cards do come in a very nice cardboard box. And you can see on the side it says deck and book set. So again, just a cardboard box, doesn't have a magnetic closure. And it looks like you get some type of a rose spread. Okay, so you do get this, I guess, a spread layout. It's called the Rose Spread. Uses 7 cards. And then here's the information about the spread here. So that's nice. And again, it's called 8 Coins Tattoo Tarot. And then there's nothing on the back. And then this is the book here. Now you do have a pretty thick book, and it looks like it has, I don't want to say tabs, but like tabs, I guess, so you can flip through to the section that you're looking for. Wow, look at these. So beautiful. Okay, so you do get a nice size guidebook. Okay, now I see, I'm wondering if I hope the cards are in color. Let me go ahead and open this. Now this is I think it's an 88, the box said it has 88 cards, 82 cards. So it includes all of her original tarot art plus 4 new cards painted specially for this edition. Okay? So I'm hoping these are in color, because I'm going to be very disappointed if they're not. Okay, they are in color. So it looks like maybe these are just the special cards she has added to the deck. Very beautiful. Okay, I can't wait to start working with these. And I do like the kind of, modern update feel that these cards have. So I'm going to have to find out how the non-colored cards, how those work with the deck, or if they're, cards that you have, assign your own meaning to, or if there's something particular about them that relate to the other cards. But these are very, very beautiful. I'm really loving what I see so far. And it's interesting too, because in the deck, they're not in any particular order. You know, they're just kind of all mixed together. That one's interesting. Now there's also something very whimsical and fun about these cards. The energy is very animated, I guess. And as I'm flipping through the cardstock is very, very nice. Not thin, you know, not flimsy at all. So I'm definitely going to have to read the guidebook. And I like too, I don't know if you've noticed, she has drawing number, you know, whatever. That's kind of cool. That's very pretty. Now I would buy some of these, some of her artwork prints just on their own. That's interesting too. I like that one. See, in some of these, like Page of Cups, there's no page in the image and there's no cups. So you really have to, you know, understand, I guess, the entire feeling of the deck. But I'm okay with that. You know, I'm okay with learning about it. That one's really pretty. That's beautiful. Uh-oh, I apologize for my dog barking. I think she heard something outside. And you may hear my tea kettle going in the background as well. Ooh, that's interesting. Okay, and here is that same card we saw earlier, but in color. So I'm wondering if, like I said, if you just maybe attach your own meanings. And then this is what the back of the cards look like. So I'm very, very pleased with this deck. Like I said, I can't wait to start using it and, you know, learn learn the deck, build a relationship with the deck. So this is the size of the deck here again, and you have these extra cards in here, which like I said, I'm going to have to figure out, you know, how you use those, or what, you know, what the message is with those. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Tattoo Tarot deck by 8 Coins. I'm really loving it so far. Like I said, I can't wait to use it, and I will definitely be doing some readings and everything with this deck as soon as I take some time to study the guidebook. Alright, so if you have any questions about anything, feel free to throw those down in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so, because I do have a lot more videos to come. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.